So now today I will be discussing one thing here. Everybody knows that in a clock there are total 12 numbers. In a clock there are total 12 numbers, and if you talk about this needle, we will talk about majorly two hands of a clock. The main one is hour hand and the second one is minute hand. We are not talking about second hand, beta. We are only talking about two main hands of the clock, that is hour hand and minute hand. Okay? Now if you see, if I talk about what is clockwise and what is anti-clockwise. So clockwise means अगर आपका जो needle है, the bigger one needle, start rounding from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Directly reaching on 12, then it means we are talking about clockwise. ठीक है? अगर आपकी वॉच में जो हैंड्स ऑफ अ क्लॉक है, विच इज अ मिनट हैंड, अगर वो 1 से स्टार्ट करती है और 12 पर आकर के दोबारा वापस आती है, तो इसे हम क्लॉकवाइज बोलेंगे. ठीक है? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज कब बोलेंगे? जब वो उल्टा चलेगी. उल्टा चलेगी मतलब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि वो पहले 11 से शुरू करेगी. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 एंड अगेन इट विल रीच ऑन 12 ओनली. दोनों ही केसेस में वो 12 पे रीच करेगी. When you are talk about clockwise, it will be clockwise when we will start by 1. When we will start by 11, then it will be anti-clockwise. First thing. ठीक है? Now always remember जो ये मिनट वाली हैंड होती है वो पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट करती है. ठीक है? सेम थिंग जो आर हैंड होती है वो भी हमेशा एक पूरा सर्कल कंप्लीट करती है. और सर्कल कंप्लीट करना मीन्स टोटल कंप्लीट एंगल. We are talking about complete angle, and complete angle means which is equal to 360 degree. ठीक है? Complete means 360 degree. We are talking about 360 degree, which I have taught you yesterday. Now let us discuss on the board. Something we are discussing on the board, then I will again come on clock. So all of you please pay attention towards the board now. Yes. So please, I will request everyone use your bangle and draw 3 circles.
Ma'am, if we will draw the circle by bangle, it will not so much big.
Beta, it's fine. It's fine. It's okay. And if you remember, I have told you whatever you have to convert, please try to use chat box. I am using the chat box, beta. Okay. So now I am going to discuss here clock. Exercise 5.2. Today's date is 2/9. Okay. Now let us discuss one thing. All of you use your bangle, draw a clock, and how to write numbers. Now look at here.
Ma'am, I don't have a bangle, ma'am. I have brought temper.
Now all of you remember one thing. When you talk about a clock, always write the number in this way. सबसे पहले 12 लिखा जाता है. यहाँ पर एकदम straight लिखा जाता है 6. ठीक है? Don't draw the numbers, all numbers together. First we write 12 and then we write 6. Then in between this side we write 3. And in between this side we write 9. So now we have 12, we have 3, we have 6, we have 9. Now coming in between 12 and 3, we will just make 2 here, that is 1 and 2. Then we have 4 and 5. Then we have 7 and 8. Then we have 10 and 11. This is the way of drawing a clock in a very easy manner. Okay? And remember, first we should always use 12, 3, 6 and 9. In this way, you will not make your clock wrong, or you will not make your clock in a slantwise number should not be there. Okay? This is one way. All of you please draw the clock faster. Please use chat box. I have already instructed everyone. Please use when you are talking about a complete figure, so this clock is a complete figure. If we have to talk about in a form of fraction, this is a complete fraction. Okay. Now, suppose if I talk about, I want to talk about the fraction. How will we take out the fraction in this way? So how will we do that? Remember, suppose the question has come that you have a minute hand on 12 and one is on 3. One is on 3, one is on 12. And somebody is asking from you that how much part you have to cover it. Okay, how much part you have to cover it. Remember, how will we do that? If it is asking the portion or the part, we should always know how many numbers are covered. How many numbers are covered? How? You can see 3 कहाँ पर आया होगा? पहले 1 में गया होगा, फिर 2 में किया होगा, फिर 3 में गया होगा. It means started by 1 and then reached till 3. So started by 1, then 2, then 3. It means it has covered 3 numbers. It means 3 parts. So we will write it down here, 3 parts. Now, total parts are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total parts are 12. And if somebody is asking from you that what portion or what fraction do you get here? So how will we solve it? 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. It means our answer will be 1/4. Okay? Now somebody is asking from us that 1/4 means how much degree? How much angle it is making? Now always remember how much angle it is making. 1/4 it is there. We will write it down 1/4. Now we are talking about total angles. This is a full circle and full circle means 360 degree. So 1/4 into 360. तो अगर आप इसको solve करोगे तो 4 ones are 4 and यहाँ पर solve होगा 4 9s are 36, 90 का 90. So the answer would be 90 degree. Because 90 ones are 90 हो जाएगा. So it will give you 90 degree. So remember 90 degree is the angle which is forming in between. Is it clear or not? Now you can speak in between. Anyone has
Ma'am,
confusion?
can you tell again, please? Ma'am, you can tell this, please, again.
Now coming to the next thing here. Now I am taking up the next question. Suppose I am taking the help of another question and then I am explaining to you. ठीक है? Suppose बात करते हैं, अगर आपको क्वेश्चन में ये नहीं दिया, अब क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछ रहा है कि between 12 to 6. ठीक है? I'm just drawing a clock again. 12.
So you draw another clock.
Yes, beta, yes. 1, 2, and please keep noting everything today. ठीक है? Now somebody is asking from us what will be the fraction between 12 to 6 or 6 to 12, also 12 to 6 it is asking. So it means one of the clock hand will be on 12 and another will be on 6. ठीक है? One will be on 12, another will be on 6. Now somebody is asking from us, what fraction do you get? Now look at here, how many numbers are covered? Because 6 कहाँ से आया होगा? पहले 1 से शुरू हुआ होगा. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total how many numbers are covered here? 6 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 numbers are covered. So if it is asking about the fraction, how will we do that? Fraction means total 6 parts are covered. So it will be 6 upon. How many numbers are in total? Total numbers are always 12. So it will be upon 12. ठीक है? 6 upon 12. And if you will solve 6 upon 12, what will be giving you? 1/2. Because 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12. It will give you 1/2 fraction. 1/2 fraction means you can see this half of the portion is covered. So that is why we are taking here 1/2. Okay? Now somebody is asking from us, what will be the angle by this? What will be the angle made by this? So remember, angle will be equal to 1/2 into, yes, tell me, somebody was telling something?
Ma'am, 180 degree is the answer.
मैम 180 डिग्री.
यस 180. हाउ, आप ऐसे देख भी सकते हो, अगर आपको निकालना नहीं आता है तो आप ये बात देख रहे हो कि दिस इज 90, यहाँ तक 90 था तो एक बार फिर 90 चल गया. वन स्ट्रेट एंगल मतलब टोटल, तो निकालने का तरीका ये होता है 1/2 into 360.
Straight angle.
Absolutely, it will be giving you straight angle. 180 degree means a straight angle. Now raise your hand, how many of you have understood this portion? How many of you have understood this portion? Please raise your hand. Okay, now look at here. Suppose our question is 4 to 7. Suppose the question is 4 to 7 means it is started. We will take it from 4. Okay, we will take it from 4. And it is started till 7. ठीक है, 4 से शुरू हुआ है 7 तक गया है. So 1, 2, 3 मतलब it is 1 will be here this side. ठीक है, 4 to 7. Now we are asking about fractions. Now how many numbers are between here? 1, 2, 3. How many numbers are between here? How many parts? 1, 2 and 3. So here it will be fraction form will be C. Fraction form will be upon 3 will be there because 3 parts we have covered upon. How many are in total? Total are 12. Total are 12. So here it will be 1/4 because 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So it will give you 1/4. Okay, this will be 1/4. Now suppose anybody is asking from us the angle made by it. So remember 1/4 multiply by 360 degree, which will give you 90 degree, which will give us right angle. Finished. Understood or not?
Ma'am, understood.
Okay. Now, should I give you one more question for trying?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, question is asking from us 12 to 9. ठीक है? 12 to 9. So, we will discuss it here in the way that we will start by 12. We will start by 12 because शुरू हुआ है 12 से और जा रहा है किस पे 9 से. तो ये इधर तक जाएगा पूरा. ठीक है, शुरू होगा 12 से जाएगा कहां तक 9 तक. Don't write right angle. It is not taking 3 portion beta. It is taking total 9 numbers because started by 12 and going always till 9. Don't take opposite one. Always start from this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 numbers are taken. So it will be fraction will be 9 upon 12. 9 upon 12 को solve करेंगे तो क्या आएगा बेटा? 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12. 3/4. The fraction will be 3/4. This portion is covered always. ठीक है? Now it is asking how much angle will be there. So remember, angle will be 3/4 into 360 degree. 360 degree because we are talking about a complete angle. तो यहाँ जब solve करोगे, it will give you 90 and answer would be 270 degree. And
Yes,
270 degree is a reflex angle. Now, anyone has a confusion regarding it, please let me know.
Ma'am, I have to ask something. Can I?
Yes, 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 please.
Ma'am,
Suppose the question is asking from us that we have a clock. If we have a clock and it starts at 11, if this is necessary, which you should always see this, what is written in the question. It starts at 12. Starts at 12. Now let us draw first. It is here 12. It is here 3. This is here 6. This is here 9. This is 1, 2. This is 4, 5. This is 7, 8. And this is 10 and 11. Now it is telling us starts at 12. मतलब clock ने शुरू किया है 12 से चलना. ठीक है, तो हमने पहले बना लिया एक clock में बना लिया 12. Now it is asking from us. It is making half of the revolution. Half means होता है बेटा पूरा circle का half. ठीक है, तो शुरू करेंगे। अगर आप हाफ के बारे में बात कर रहे हो, हाफ मतलब कितने नंबर, 12 का हाफ कितना होता है, 6 नंबर, ठीक है। 12 का हाफ कितना होता है, 6 नंबर। इट मीन्स उसने टोटल 6 नंबर्स कवर किए। So it means if it is talking about this one, we will start by this 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 4 number, 5 number, and 6 number. It means it will reach at 6 because question is talking about starts at 12 and makes half of a revolution clockwise. ठीक है, we are talking about half. तो हाफ में कितना लेंगे हम यहाँ पर, हाफ में कितना लेंगे हम यहाँ पे, हाफ मतलब till here. Is it okay or not? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, you can re-explain it.
Yes, why not? It will.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, what heading we have to write?
we are doing exercise 9, 5.2 beta. Now this is question number 2. Earlier which we were doing, that was question number 1. Now we are doing question number 2. Just we have started question number 2. Earlier was question number 1. Now suppose I am explaining you one more question. Let us leave this one. Now let us discuss another question. Suppose your question is, your clock starts at 5. ठीक है, starts at 5 and it is making 1/4 of a revolution. Okay, 1/4. 1/4 of revolution. Ab now you tell me 1/4 means what? 1/4 means what? How much portion it is set to cover? How many numbers will be covered? Can you tell me? 1/4 means how many numbers will be covered? Students, please speak to me.
Ma'am, 3.
See, बेटा एक चीज हमेशा याद रखो, अगर ये हमारे पास क्लॉक है, ये हमारे पास क्लॉक है, और अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं 1/4 का, तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ, ठीक है, दिस इज 1/4. इट मीन्स कितने नंबर कवर होंगे इसमें, 1 2 3, टोटल 3 तक नंबर कवर होंगे. अगर इसने आपको बोला हमें हाफ चाहिए, तो यहाँ पर आएगा हाफ. हाफ में कितने नंबर कवर होंगे, 12, 1 2 3 4 5 एंड 6, टोटल 6 नंबर, टोटल 6 नंबर कवर होंगे. अगर उसने आपसे बोला हमें 3/4 चाहिए, 3/4 में कितने नंबर कवर होंगे, कैन एनीवन टेल मी? How many numbers will be covered?
Ma'am, 9.
9.
9. 1, yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 numbers will be covered. और अगर बोला जाए एक कंप्लीट चाहिए, पूरा कंप्लीट, तो इट
12.
मींस टोटल 12 numbers will be covered. ठीक है, आपको बेटा ऐसे समझना पड़ेगा पहले ना, ऐसे समझना पड़ेगा क्वेश्चन को देख के. नाउ लुक एट हियर, इट इज आस्किंग starts at 5. 5 से शुरू किया उसने, तो चलो हमने 5 ले लिया. Now it is telling 1/4. 1/4 का मतलब क्या हुआ, टोटल 3. तो
Yes, ma'am.
एक हो जाएगा ये 6, 7 और ये
Ma'am,
8. मतलब कहाँ पर खत्म होगा, इट द वॉच विल स्टॉप एट 8. तो इट विल स्टॉप एट 8. Tell me, understood or not, or anyone has confusion regarding it?
No, ma'am, understood.
Ma'am, can you explain once more?
Beta, please see the recording of today's class. If you are facing any difficulty, see the recording of today's class once again. You will understand everything. Just try one. Yes, now look at here. It is telling her that it starts at 5. So again, I am starting at 5. So I have drawn it one needle here, that is 5. ठीक है. Now it is telling 3/4. And remember, 3/4 means how many numbers? Total 9 numbers. Now look at here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It will reach at 2. It will reach at 2. Again telling you how. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Total 9 steps it will cover. Total 9 steps. So after completing 9 steps, it will stop at 2. Tell me understood or not.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood,
Ma'am, I
ma'am.
was